If you've ever created a Python class, you've used dunder_init. But do you really know what happens under the hood when it's called? Dunder_init is Python's initializer method. It's called automatically right after a new object is created. When you write dog equals dog with parentheses, Python first creates the object using dunder_new, then immediately calls dunder_init to set it up. This two-step process happens behind the scenes every single time you instantiate a class. The first parameter in dunder_init is always self. This refers to the newly created instance that was just born. It's how the method knows which object to initialize. Python passes this automatically, so you never include it when calling the constructor. Inside dunder_init, you set up the object's initial state by assigning instance attributes. Each attribute you create with self.name becomes part of that specific object. This is where you take constructor arguments and store them as properties that the object will carry throughout its lifetime. Here's a key distinction. Dunder_new is the actual constructor that creates the object, while dunder_init is the initializer that configures it. You rarely override dunder_new, but you use dunder_init constantly. Also, dunder_init must return none. If you try to return anything else, Python ignores it. Remember, dunder_init is the initializer that sets up your objects right after creation. It uses self to access the instance and establishes the initial state. Master this, and you'll write cleaner, more Pythonic classes. Want to get better at answering questions like this? With Interview Mentor, you practice real interview questions out loud. You get personalized feedback and a grade on every answer, and you can track your improvement over time.